kolam yang dekat sana kan? Semalam aku dengan Shalin jalan sesama, kita nampak air ni kotor tak sangat tau. Sampai ada anak ikan mati. Kolam itu dah nak cantik kan? Benda kecil tu. Macam mana ni? Sini tak ada. Sebab basuh tangan tu jauh lah.
Korang pun perasan kan, kolam sekolah kita sebenarnya dah cantik, tapi lagi sesuai kalau boleh pasangkan filter. Lagipun, sekarang ni tak ada tempat cuci tangan yang berdekatan.
Marilah kita buat satu innovation yang boleh membuktikan masalah ini.
Boleh tak? Setuju? Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya Shania Ifira binti Amran. Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Sarah Kamila binti Ahmad Kamal.
Selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Guhasri Ana Perempuan Segera.
Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Saya dari binti Perempuan Nasir.
Selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Gok Zi.
Kami daripada SMK Skudai.
Our project is called an intelligent filter. The system will held in the pond. We use the pond as our primary water supplier. There will be a filter applied to the water so that we can wash our hands using the water that has been filtered. Afterwards, the used water will be filtered again and pumped back to the pond.
Let's take a look of our prototypes of our project. This is our main water supplier, the pond, and we have two filters and a place to wash our hands. First, the water from the pond will be pumped in through the poly pipes, the connectors, and be connected to the water filter. And then we can wash our hands using the filtered water. Afterwards, used water will go to the another filter through the poly pipes, and after it's filtered, it will be pumped back to the pond.
Last but not least is cost. Filter will be 2 times 90 ringgit 50 cents. Connector of pond and filter, it will be 50 ringgit. The sink is 0 ringgit. The total of our project is 231 ringgit.
By installing this filter system in schools, we can conserve water by preventing wastage and reducing consumption. The schools can save on expensive water bills, redirecting those funds towards other critical educational resources. But the impact doesn't stop at schools. The benefits ripple out to the entire community, state, country, and even the world. By embracing this filter system, we can make a substantial change in how we manage water resources, promoting sustainability and preserving the precious life-giving resource.